All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can keep getting latest updates and crypto news from me. All right, so my name is Sam. All right, so looking at the market, Bitcoin is up by 1%, and of course, when Bitcoin goes up by 1%, alt follows. You can see Bitcoin ASP is up 4%. This guy is just moving opposite ways. Name is up 2% and 2%. Now let's look at the chart, how Bitcoin is doing. Lately, there's been a this has been the support so far for Bitcoin. As you can see, this is a 45-minute chart. This has been the support for a while between 26th of November. As you can see, it gets around here, it goes back up. Same here, and here it broke down, and that has been the support for days. But looking at the chart right now, that support has now turned to resistance. As you can see, it tried to break up around this region, but it couldn't. We just need Bitcoin to stay above this current resistance line of about that's $8651.92. Then, if Bitcoin can stay above this level for a while, and we should expect it to push up to about $8,000. But right now, Bitcoin is just below that support line, which is now a key resistance level. So we hope to push above that. We pushed here, it couldn't hold, and we closed at this point. Right. So some interesting news for you. The government of Dubai, they're still pushing hard to making Dubai a blockchain-based city. Right, so I'll drop this article, and one interesting thing is that these guys, the banks, are now moving into blockchain. Yes, they've been doing that. Of course, some banks have already started, but it's getting louder by the day. Right, as you can see, Dubai International Financial Center (DIFC) and Marshall Bank announced the launch of their new blockchain data sharing platform on March 1st. Right, so banks are making serious moves towards the blockchain space. Also, there was a news. Sorry about that. There was a news from Binance this morning. First bank to ever integrate directly with Binance. Now, AK Bank is one of the biggest bank. Okay, let's see. There's a tweet by CZ. Also happens to be the biggest bank in Turkey. So this bank right here, AK Bank, is the biggest bank in Turkey, and guess what? You can now buy crypto through the bank with your iOS app. So as you can see, when crypto all started, the banks had no issues with crypto, and then during the bear market, they started saying if you buy crypto with your account, we're going to close your account. But guess what they are doing now? They are now helping platforms to buy cryptocurrency directly from their mobile app. That's what's going to happen. At first, they ignored cryptocurrency, and then they hated cryptocurrency and blockchain, and now they are now accepting the truth. In the future, I don't know how soon that's going to be. It could be this year, it could be next year, or maybe in 2 or 3 years' time. But the banks are going to give full support for cryptocurrency, and they're going to offer to save your cryptocurrency for you, right? So that's it, guys, about the news for this morning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and do have a great day.